Hello and welcome to my channel where I try and create home decor stuff on a budget. Today I'm going to share with you how I upgraded these Dollar Tree wooden crates into these cute shelves that can hold kids' book, toys or really anything that you would like to keep in them. They were pretty easy to make and are quite handy. So if you're interested in knowing how I made these, then please keep on watching. So I am starting by taking the tags off these Dollar Tree crates and I am going to remove these square handles as well. Then I'm going to use this acrylic paint in Admiral blue and paint the entire crates except for the edges. Make sure to give a good even coat of paint. Let them dry thoroughly and go in again till you get that even coat of paint. After that, I use some white acrylic paint on the edges so that the gold paint that I am going to use later will show more. Once you are satisfied with the paint, use some gold acrylic paint to do the edges. I went back and forth to make sure that the edges were nice and clean. Now for the base, instead of painting it, I decided to use these Dollar Tree wallpaper sheets. Here I am just measuring how much I'm going to need and I'm going to cut it to that size. Now you can also measure and cut, but I just decided to go this way. After cutting it to size by using an X-acto knife, I simply peeled off the back paper and used a plastic card to stick the sheet on the base of the crate. I used 3 crates to make these shelves. You can use any number of these crates. Once they're all done, you can arrange them in any manner you want depending on the space where you're planning to put them. I went with this arrangement, and the best part about using these crates is that these wedges at the corners are quite helpful as they would fit into each other like a glove and give this entire structure some uniformity. I pre-drilled some holes first before screwing them together, as I was not sure how strong these crates were to take the screws directly. After that, I am using some screws to join these crates together. You can also glue them together, but screwing is better because that way I can separate them again if I want to. Once they are all joined together, I went in again to give some final touches of the blue and the gold paint. After that, I hung it on the wall again by using some screws. And that's it. My Dollar Tree crate shelves are ready. I feel that it came out pretty good and is quite an innovative way to use these crates instead of just using them as they are. Let me know what you think of this DIY. If you liked it, then you know the drill. Hit the like button, share it, and comment your views and feedback. And if you are like me who is interested in making home decor on a budget, then subscribe to my channel to know when I upload my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye and take care.